Hi everyone! Welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm sharing one of my favorite easy desserts, a no-bake fruit cocktail cheesecake. It's creamy, refreshing, and super simple to make. Perfect for busy moms like us or anyone who wants a quick sweet fix without turning on the oven. Let's get started. Start with 1 cup of ground graham crackers. Add melted butter and mix. Add melted butter and mix until combined. Press into a container and refrigerate. Next, let's make our creamy filling. Combine 1 cup whipping cream and 180 grams of cream cheese. I also added ½ cup condensed milk. Sorry, I missed filming this step. Mix until well combined and smooth. Bloom 1 packet of unflavored gelatin in a bit of water. Microwave for a few seconds until fully melted. Temper with a little cream, then mix into the cheese mixture until fully blended. Pour a layer of the cheesecake mixture over your crust. Add your choice of filling. I used canned mixed fruit cocktail. Pour the rest of the cheesecake mixture on top. Refrigerate or freeze until set. Add fruit cocktail on top for decoration. Top with leftover fruit cocktail pieces for that final fruity touch. And that's it. Our no-bake fruit cocktail cheesecake is done. Super easy, super yummy, and always a hit with the family. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. Comment below if you have questions or suggestions, and don't forget to subscribe to Indoorsy Mom for more simple, delicious kitchen hacks. See you next time and happy eating!